Hello, good afternoon. This is Dr. Smita Pagdhane, creating video for the KTHM FDP on investment through stock market. Before starting the investment, we have to understand some basic concept which is related with the investment. The first concept is income. Income means to earn some money or the flow of money which is comes to you. That means we have make some efforts to earn money and to satisfy our requirements or our need. So before making any investment, it is necessary to earn some income, and after that we are able to make some investment. So after considering the income, we know the sources of income. The sources of income are as follows: income from agriculture, that means we have use a piece of land and get some crops, fruits or vegetables and sell it in the market, and whatever income we have received is known as income from agriculture. After that, the another source of income is income from salary. That means an employer provide money at the end of the month is known as income from salary. Then income from business. That means any activity which is conduct to earn some profit is known as income from business. After that, the income from profession. Income from profession means a specific skilled person or a specific qualified person conduct his activities. For example, the doctors and the advocates or a teacher, etc. Then income from house property. When a person having two or more houses, then one house is considered used for residence and the others are considered as let out house. That means a rent received from the other houses is known as income from house property. After that, capital gain. Capital gains means a person makes some investment in any kind of material, and after some years he can sell that material and earn. If the sale price is more than purchase price, then it is known as capital gain. For example, a plot is purchased by a person and sell after 3 to 5 years, and whatever amount is received by him, from that amount the purchase amount is deduct, and the remaining balance is known as income from capital gain. Then the last one is income from other sources. Other sources means those incomes which are not considered in the above sources is known as other sources. That is income from uh, lottery or income from races, etc. So after considering the income, not only income is sufficient for the investment, but it is necessary to make some saving. That means whatever income we earn, uh, after deducting our expenses, the balance is remaining is known as saving. That is part of income, which is not spent in the current expenses or in the current time, and which is kept aside for our better future or for face the emergency. Okay, so these concepts are very important because without income and saving from that income, it is not possible to make any type of investment. Now we come to the concept of investment. Investment means to allocate money in the expectation of some benefit in future. Means today we make some investment or we allocate some money, and after few years or after few months we will get the whatever money invest in that activity, and along with that we get the returns on that investment. So, benefits from saving is known as returns, or the investment make in a system where we get some returns from the investment. Now, along with this, we